Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to access the BIOS on your ASUS TUF A15 laptop. Let's get started. First, shut down your laptop completely. Don't just restart, make sure it's fully turned up. Next step is to press the F2 key and then press the power button to turn it on. Keep pressing the F2 key until the BIOS screen appears. Once the BIOS opens, you will see a blue and gray menu. This is where you can adjust settings. You can use the arrow key, enter or escape to move around or on newer version. You can even use your mouse. If you only wanted to check the BIOS, you can leave without changing anything. To exit, press F10 to save changes or select exit without saving if you don't want to make any changes. And that's it. Now you know how to access the BIOS on your ASUS TUF A15 laptop. It's quick, easy and only takes a few seconds. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.